Here's a simple way to take your sprouts to the next level this Christmas. For this recipe, I'm using some chestnuts. So if you're using them too, all you need to do is cut a little slit into the chestnut shell and then place them onto a baking tray, cut side up, and then roast them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After that, you should be able to peel the shells away and then just roughly chop them and set them to one side. While your chestnuts are roasting, you can prepare your sprouts. So all I do is trim off the bottom and take off some of the outer leaves. If they're looking a bit tatty and dirty, just remove them until you've got beautiful green looking sprouts. Next, place a large saute pan onto the heat and drizzle in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Next, add in 300 grams of bacon lardons and then just cook them until the fat has rendered down and they're nice and crisp. You might want to drain off a little bit of the excess fat here. Next, add in your sprouts and give them a good stir so they're nicely coated in that bacon fat. Then add in around 100 ml of cold water and place on the lid. This is going to create loads of steam and help those sprouts cook through. After 5 minutes, take the lid off and stir in the chopped chestnuts and 30 grams of butter. Give everything a mix around until the butter's melted and then pile them up onto a plate and enjoy. So that's exactly how I'm making my Christmas sprouts this year. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.